What's going on, guys? It's me, Madison here. Second vlog for today. Look at this. Guys, it was just freaking, like drizzling a bit, and then it was raining hard. It wasn't raining hard though. Look at this. It's ridiculous. Look, it looks like it's just pouring. You know, it's really hard to tell. There used to be a tree right there. It's really hard to tell. If you guys can't see it, I'll just like this. Alright, look at this, guys. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a quick glimpse at it. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh. Yeah, my mom went to go get some food. She'll be home shortly. Hopefully. Guys, just look at all of this. It's just pouring. Just see the streets. I'll try to make the camera focus on. Look at this. Just see how watch is going on. It's supposed to start storming. Yeah. And our garage is messy. We're gonna clean it sometimes. Anyway, it's just really weird. Like, my God. Is this what this dog, like my auntie, you guys already know from like a week ago. No, about 2 weeks ago, or a week ago. My aunt had to bring her dog over here because she couldn't stay at her house. So, this is the kennel. I don't know how this could hold that big dog. I thought that was for I already got the mail. It's pretty chilly actually. Look at this. It's hard to tell there are trees back there, sort of. I don't really have that good quality on my camera. But if you guys can see it over there, I'll zoom in. It looks like just shadows. Like, it doesn't honestly look like a tree line. It's probably not a good idea to come out here inside and without a jacket on. You guys can't already see. If you guys can't already see, I am just wearing a sweatshirt. Yeah. This tree isn't growing as you can see. There are a lot of parts to where it's just like tree and stuff. Oh, and did you guys know that cinnamon is made from tree barks? Like this very tree barks that have been crushed up. I can understand because I've never tasted tree barks, but I want to tell you what I bet you that they will taste nothing like cinnamon if you just been crushed. Oh, and I'm selling one of my bikes. It may not look good right now. We just need a new inner tube for it, and have yourself a new bike. Oh, it seems to calm down now. Let me just block this out. I don't want you guys to see the license plates. Let me just cover it up in here. There we go. So